In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in Adobe Illustrator. Grouping is one of the simplest ways to keep your design organized and easy to edit. When objects are grouped, they move and transform together, which is perfect for logos, icons, or any layout where elements should stay aligned. Start by selecting the objects you want to group. Use the selection tool, which you can access by pressing V on your keyboard. Click the first object, then hold Shift and click each additional object you want to include. If it's faster, you can also drag a selection marquee around everything you want to group. Just make sure you're not accidentally capturing anything else. If an item won't select, it might be on a locked layer or hidden behind something. Zooming in or checking your layers panel can help you see what's actually selected before you proceed. With your object selected, go to the top menu and choose Object, then Group. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. Instantly, Illustrator treats those items as a single unit. That means you can move them together without messing up their spacing, scale them up or down while preserving their relative positions, or rotate the whole set as one. You'll notice that a single bounding box surrounds the entire group, which is a quick visual cue that everything is linked. This is especially helpful when you're aligning elements on a page or keeping a complex illustration tidy while you reposition it. If you ever need to edit individual elements again, ungrouping is just as straightforward. First, select the grouped object with the selection tool, then go back to Object and choose Ungroup. The keyboard shortcut is Shift+Ctrl+G on Windows or Shift+Command+G on Mac. Once ungrouped, each object returns to its independent state, so you can adjust colors, paths, or positions one by one. If you only needed to tweak a single piece temporarily, remember you can always regroup afterward using the same group command. A quick tip: grouping doesn't permanently merge shapes or alter their appearance, it's simply an organizational tool. You can group, ungroup, and regroup as many times as you need during your workflow. And if you're working with complex artwork, consider naming layers and sublayers to keep track of which elements are